Hi lovely people, how are you? Make sure you leave in the comments and let me know how your day is going. So if you read from my title, I will be unboxing the March 2019 Beauteque box. This is a skincare box. This is a kbeauty subscription. But before you do that, oh my god, Ann, come on. I want to tell you guys that I still have that 2-year anniversary giveaway going on. It does end March 10th. So make sure that you check that video out if you want to be entered. Right now we have 2 winners, and if we get to 30,000 and we're so close, we will be having 3 winners. But anyway, without further ado, let's see what is in this box. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So last month was the first month that I unboxed it. I'm pretty sure this is the February box because last month when I got it, it was the January box, and I didn't understand why when it was so late in February that I got it. But a lot of you guys told me that that's how this subscription works, so I won't get my March box until like next month in the beginning of the month. So this is the February box. Now I want to tell you a little bit about it. So this is a $24 a month subscription. There is another subscription that it's called Mask Maven, and you can get all sheet masks that it's cheaper. I don't know exactly the price on that, but as for this, I was looking for different codes, and I found a code that if you do the month to month, you can get 25% off if you use the code in all caps, March 2019. And to be able to get March's box, you have to order by March 15th at 6:59 Eastern time to get March's box. So if you order it past 7 o'clock or on the 16th, you'll get April's box. All right, so let's open this puppy up, and let me cut it, use my little handy dandy knife and see. So I did really like last month's box. I really did. I always sign up for 3 months in a new subscription just to give it a chance to see what it is. So that's what it looks like. So you have these little like brochures here, and then this little sticker thing. And let's see, let's open her up together and see what's in here. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. All right, let's see. So this is definitely February's box. It says me, myself, and I. So remember, when you order it, you won't get it that month until like the following month. All right, so let's see. And this tells you about the Mask Mavens, where you can get 9 masks delivered monthly. If you want to try that out, you can use Try Mask Maven in all caps to save you 15% off of the first month. I will leave that right there if you want to screenshot it and look. That is for the other one. This is the beauty box that I get. All right, so this tells you what everything is in here, and it gives prices, which I love. So it comes like that. All right, the first thing that I see, and the biggest thing that I see, is called Prickly Pear Soothing Gel. This is, what is this? Prickly Pear, 92%. What is that? Soothing gel, soothing and moisture. So it's pretty big. That's what she said. Okay. All right, I'm bad. All right, so this would be $21.99. And let's see what it is. This is, we are 100% sure you will love this soothing jelly that contains 92% Jeju prickly pear. Water is hydrating and has anti-aging properties. I love that. How to use. Apply a pea-sized amount to clean skin. Rub into the targeted area until the jelly is completely absorbed. Add if needed. And tip, soak a cotton pad with the jelly and apply it to irritated patches of skin, kind of like a DIY mask for healing. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so let me see if I can open this up and see what it looks like, because I don't think I've ever tried anything like that. All right, I know, I just throw stuff on the floor. Oh, I just spilled a whole bunch of it. Oh my God. It went all in the box. Oh God, that was so stupid what I did. Okay, and let's see how we can do this. All right, let me get something else to clean. All right, let me use this to clean it. I can't believe I did that. Half of it fell out. All right, so it's not like a gel. I thought it was going to be like a thick gel, kind of like if you use hair gel, kind of like that kind of gel. But this is more like a watery, like kind of jelly consistent, but more water-based. So that's why it was so easy to spill out. So if you get this box, don't do what I just did. All right, let's put that down. And this box is, okay. All right. What else? What is this? Would you be? This is a Prince of Curl. Okay, this is a mascara. Oh, God, it's all over the place. Like right there. And this is $8.99. How to use. We all know how to use a mascara. You curl your lashes if desired. Apply mascara to lashes from root to tip. And this says tip. Gently wiggle the wand at the roots and give lashes a fuller appearance. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what the packaging looks like. All right. So that's what she looks like. I don't want to open it up to show you guys the wand because I'm working on, I have probably literally like, oh my God, my hands feel nasty. I probably have literally like 10 mascaras already open that some of them I'm trying out. I don't know if you guys know, but the Benefit Big Bow Gal, or however you say it, is my favorite. And I always seem to go back to that. But, oh God, that's nasty. That's feeling. All right. But anyway, so I don't want to open it to show you the wand. But when I do use this, I will definitely, guys, give you an update of what I think of these mascaras. I've been trying different mascaras, and then I'm going to do a video what I think works better. I also want to see, does primer really work with mascara? Does it really make a difference? So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that type of video. All right. The next thing we got, what is this? This is a hair mist in 02 Coral Peach. Okay, so, hair mist. So this is a perfume for your hair. And this would be $13. This is how to use. Gently shake. Hold the bottle about 6 inches away from the scalp and spray. Can be used on damp or dry hair. Now, what I usually do is just use some kind of like mist from Bath and Body Works, or like my perfume that I'm going to use. But I know a lot of people do purchase these. You know, so if you don't have the extra money to do that, you can just, you know, use whatever you're wearing. But I've never tried a hair mist. So let's see. And I don't know what peach, I would like peach. Okay, let's see. Okay. So that's what I don't even know if I showed you the packaging. That's what it looks like. Comes like that, and it has like a little spray. So let me spray it. That smells good. That smells like a fruity peach. It literally smells in the summertime when you're eating a peach, and that smell of like fresh peaches is what it smells like. I don't know if I would want that in my hair to smell like fruity peaches, but it really does smell good. I'll probably give this to my daughter, to be honest, because she likes stuff like that. All right, and there's a couple other things in here, and this is all, it has that gel stuff that spilled all over it. So let's just do that first. So this is a Pore Shots one-stop clearing. I noticed with kbeauty, they're really into skincare and blackheads and pimples. So we have this right there. And this would be $4.99 for just one. Oh, you get 3 in here. It says how to use. After washing your face, apply ample water to your nose. Apply the strip soothing side down and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes or until dry. Slowly peel away. So you would put the water in, water on your nose to put this on so it would stick. It has like an adhesive. So I've never tried that tip. Apply after warm shower. This is when your pores are open the widest. It's true. And then when you go in with cold water, you usually close your pores. So there we go. I'll definitely try this. I don't get a lot of blackheads or anything on my nose, but I'm curious to see what it would feel like, you know? I don't know. I'm weird like that. All right, last but not least is this Collagen Power Firming Eye Cream. So I like that. All right, so this would be $9, and it says how to use. Apply pea-sized amount to your fingertip and gently dab around your eyes. Tip. A little goes a long way. If more is needed, then you can always add more. That's so true. So there we go. So you get all full-size items. Oh, wait, I see something else. An eye razor. Where's that? Did that come in my box? Yes. Right here. All right, so then we have this. This is for like your eyebrows. I'm always scared to use this. I might put this in a giveaway, actually. So this is an eyebrow razor. And this is $5.99. It's retractable. How to use: start at the end of your brow and gently and carefully shave away your hairs. Tip: this tool also can be used anywhere on your face, arms, and body, and comes in 3 different colors. So that's nice. I notice a lot of people use this and like they will shave like their little peach fuzz and you know, but I always get scared. I'm sure there's a safety little thing on here where you can't cut yourself, but it scares me. So I'll put this in a giveaway right there. Let me know down below, have you ever tried these? Do you get cut from them? Is it safe? Let me know. So that's everything in the box. So we got this razor, which I'm going to put right here in a giveaway box because I already started a new giveaway. I love the fact that we have this eye cream. I love that so much. We got a mascara, and some people don't like getting mascaras all the time, but I do. I like trying different mascaras because I'm on the look. I'm on the hunt for the best mascara. Then we got this thing that leaked all over the place, but that was my fault. We got this soothing gel. And we also got this hair mist that smells like peaches. Is there anything I forgot? And did I tell you the nose strips? Where the heck did I put the nose strips at? How can I lose the nose strips that fast? Oh, right in front of my face and right there. I don't edit my videos, guys. This is real life, so if there's empty space, if I'm looking for something, I show you guys. I don't want to have like them perfect videos. It is me, and you get what you get, right? But anyway, guys, don't forget to enter that giveaway. Like I said, it has a few more days, and we only need about 700 more to reach our goal, so that's amazing. I always leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. And is that all? I think that's everything I have to say. I love you guys. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.